On the rear of the EMCenter, just above the power input, is the Interlock connection. The Interlock connector is a large RCA stereo jack that functions as a shorting plug to the EMCenter. You can connect numerous devices, including door switches and other sensors, to that interlock, and if the circuit comes open, it will interrupt the function of the EMCenter. When the interlock is removed or there's an open detected in the circuit, you get a warning on the front of the EMCenter. The other things that will also happen is if you have any moving positioners being controlled by the EMCenter, by the EMControl, they will immediately stop moving, and if you have a signal generator connected, it will immediately shut the RF output off for safety. If you see the interlock notification, if you happen to be running a high power test, immediately make sure that your amplifiers are in standby if they're not part of the interlock circuit, and double check your door lock and all of your connections to make sure that your interlock circuit is working properly.